Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our newest products. This is the countertop stylings, the chocolate melter machines. And let me give the overall dimensions first. For this base, it's about like a 13 and 3/4 inches wide and 9 inches deep. Include this cooking pot. The overall heights, they are about like a 6.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units coming with standard 110 plugs from the manufacturers and 2 individual power switches on each of the side and temperature controls too. They give you the temperature settings from the 30 degrees to the 80 degrees by Celsius. And on side of the units, we can see the cut sheet information, sticker information with the CE certifications on it. And for this cooking pot, it is about like a 5.5 inches on diameters and 3 inches deep. And that will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.